and my favorite thing about Fusion Fighters is that it made dancing fun again.
And I enjoy doing the new challenges, the new choreography, and meeting people around the world.
The teachers. They're all professional and they've been in my favorite shows like Riverdance, Lord of the Dance, and loads of others.
I love the style, it's very snappy and modern.
Meeting new people throughout the socials.
Yeah, all of this has been really cool. I really enjoy doing the body percussion and all the cool moves.
I especially can't wait for the summer camps and meeting a lot of new people.
I made lots of friends from around the world and it was great during lockdown.
I also love the videos and I love making them.
I wanted to explore a new and creative aspect of Irish dancing, and what better time to start than in lockdown?
That we will have lots of performance opportunities in the future, and I hope you will consider joining Fusion Fighters Dance Company too.
We are a little fusion family.